Welcome everybody. In this section we'll be exploring what kind of gig you should actually create yourself on Fiverr. The first thing I want you to do is to get a piece of paper out, take it out and write on it a few things that you're really good at doing. And put this piece of paper on the right side of the table. On the left side of the table, get another piece of paper out. And here what you're going to be doing is taking notes. You're going to be looking at all the different sections that Fiverr actually offers as a gig. And there is many different sections here. There is the graphics and design, digital marketing, writing, translation, video, music, programming, advertising, business, and much more. Your job is very simple. Find the gigs that you're good at doing or something that you actually enjoy and you think you could actually do. Then, for each and every one of those sections, press on the section itself, the main one. And here what you're going to be doing is the simplest thing. You're going to be pressing on the highlighting. The highlighting itself is going to show you which of those gigs on Fiverr are best selling themselves. And now, since they are best selling, the next thing I highly recommend for you to do is to look at what kind of images are making those gigs more attractive for you. Which ones of those gigs would you actually be interested in clicking and ordering yourself? And can you do some of those as well? Can you replicate something like that? If the answer is yes, you want to look at what kind of video do they have to promote themselves? What kind of icon do they have that they're using that is generating a lot of sales? Look at this guy. He has 28,000 different sales. That means he's doing something right. So we're going to go into his gig and take a look at it to get more ideas. And here is what you're going to be doing yourself. You're going to be taking some of those ideas and incorporating them into your own gig. So here is his particular gig. He will give you unlimited real traffic to your website for 1 month. The amount of people who are buying this particular gig, there is 28,000 people. That means that if you're getting that many people who are buying your gig, you're definitely going to generate a humongous amount of profit every single day. So here is more information about his gig itself. And he gives you all the things that you're getting for people who are going to get and buy his gig itself. So what I suggest for you to do is to go down and think about what he does that is successful. Study him. And then see if you can create a similar looking gig and make sure it provides a few gig extras as well, because that's the way for you to make bigger amount of money. You don't want to get just $5 for your gig. You want people to order all the different gig extras as well. And after they order it, you want them to be very satisfied customers. Take a look at how many people are satisfied with this particular person and the gigs that he created. So let's go and look at a different kind of section. This is music and audio, but the idea is always the same. The idea is here is for you to look at something that you could do. So let's say you're a music producer or a composer. Let's go into that. And you're doing the same exact thing. You're looking at the highest rating, and then you're exploring, looking at the images and studying what you could do to emulate some of those successful gigs. As you can see, this particular category is not as popular as the previous one that we've been in, because it's only getting 623 different orders versus a few thousand. So another thing you could do here is just take a look at the stuff they have here, and then take a look at what kind of gigs are offered by not just regular sellers. You want to look at the top rated sellers. What are they doing that are generating a bunch of profits? So after you do all of this, you're more than ready to get started and create your own gigs on Fiverr.